This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, this video gives you the astro view for the entire February month day by day. So this is considering the past backtest result of 90% accuracy and 10% chance of failure. So please take it accordingly. The disclaimer is that the view is completely is based on the past research and is my own view considering based on the research, based on astrology, Vedic astrology. And any loss incurred by taking trades based on this view, I will not be responsible. Please consult a financial advisor before taking any trades. So the first thing is that on 1st February being the budget day for the month, the expectation is that neutral. Neutral means the closing for Bank Nifty could be between plus 140, 150 points or 140 points negative. That's the range maximum it can be closing on budget day. Also, the point is that VIX also is very high as compared to the last budget. So there is chance that already we have almost like another 5 days, 4 trading days, and then there's possibility that VIX can go high before the budget, because everybody having expectation that budget after the budget hours speech the market can fall. That may not be happening possible, and we might be doing range bound moves and we close flat or plus or minus, maybe possible minus 150 points, between negative neutral to minus 150 points is what we can expect to close Bank Nifty that day. So the entire focus is on Bank Nifty. You can take consider the Nifty also same way. You can take roughly 50% of the value of Bank Nifty as a Nifty for this purpose. All calculations what I'm telling. And I'm showing the budget also, last 11 budget sessions, how the Bank Nifty reacted and Nifty also reacted. The highest down was the last year budget, where 1000 points dip was seen in the Bank Nifty. And next is the next big fall we saw in the Bank Nifty was around 2013, where 443 points dip was seen. Otherwise, we have seen almost two positive close of 500, 600 points. Positive close happened in the Bank Nifty 2 times. So two big down days and two big positive days were seen in Bank Nifty in the past 11 years on the budget day. So don't expect big negative moves. Negative moves also will be very little only. Don't expect big negative moves on Wednesday and on the 1st of the February. And second day is February 2nd of February, which is a Tuesday. So that day we are expecting that result should be negative. We could possible that we could be opening a gap down also, considering the all the analysis will be done and all the issues will be taken care, and the absorption of the negative news will happen, and then the gap down is possible for 2nd of February. Next, for 3rd of February, the 3rd of February, the chance again gap down is possible for Wednesday. So it's better that we can carry forward our position, short positions for Wednesday. We have to see other factors also, but there's a very high chance that we can open gap down on Wednesday, 3rd February, because all the plans are aligned for negative only for that day. And Sun is also still in the Makar Rashi. When Capricorn, the Sun is in the Capricorn, there is high chance we should be closing negative only for the entire month of the Sun when it is in the Capricorn. Overall net basis for the month of Capricorn. Now on 4th February, Thursday, the view is negative again, but the negativity can come down a little because of the expiry factor also, but big positive for sure is not there for Bank Nifty on Thursday. Next, for Friday, 5th February, 5th February, the view is neutral to negative. The same like budget day, it could be possible because the high premium also will be there. Out a lot of down moves in the last week, the beginning of the week of this week, there is a chance that we could be moving in the range bound to just eat the premium on Friday. And then on 8th February, the view is negative again, and high probability that again we will open gap down to trap the long positions for 8th February Monday. Next, for 9th February, also is negative view little, but overall it's neutral to negative only. We may not be going big negative like what we saw on Monday, like Monday session will be good negative, but for Tuesday it could be neutral to negative, not expecting any positive close for Tuesday. So you can just see Sankranti filter. So this is the range between this, we could be traveling on the closing basis. So for 10th February, the view is positive. After a long time, we are getting a positive view for Bank Nifty on 10th February. When I tell Bank Nifty means you consider Nifty also. Just I'm completely focused on the Bank Nifty backtest result also. So I'm just telling Bank Nifty. So the chance is that we can be positive for 10th of February, but your stop loss should be the negative 140, 150 points. As Sankranti is showing negative, we could not take risk. If it is anything more than this, and also our open interest and other technicals are showing negative, then we should be on the downside movement. But after so much of negative days, there is a delicate bounce possible. There's a possibility that we could be bouncing a little on 10th February. Okay, so you can just consider this way for 10th February. On 11th February, the view is positive. The same continuation of the trend of 10th February, positive to negative. Negative is not more than 145 points negative on downside, and expectations positive view for 11th February on Thursday. For the 12th February Friday, the view is negative again. Again, we are starting the down moves. There is a high chance that we should be on the gap down. We could be gapping down or go up in the open trade market and in the morning, and after start moving on the downside. So be your view on the negative side for 12th February. Then for 15th February, the view is negative again. So the continuation trend, if you see number of negative days are more for February as compared to the past. Now you should be very, very cautious on the downside. The down moves can be like last time we saw the down in 2020, the big down moves came in the month of March. So this time possible that we could see the big moves like what we saw in February, March in the month of February looks like. So very, very cautious. Keep tight on the downside also. Hold your shorts and try to ride on the down move. So this month, February could be a big jackpot for the bears. So another down day for February, 15th February, Monday. Next for 16th February, 16th February again another negative day. So long, it looks like a big jackpot for the bears this month. So more number of negative days are seen for the month of February. Next for 17th February, 17th February, I just taken all the days. I have not seen the holidays. Please just ignore that. If there is any holiday, you can just ignore that day's view. Okay. 17th February, the view is positive, but it could be volatile. It could be a volatile day, and if stop loss in this case, any down move comes, the stop loss should be 140, 150 points in the Bank Nifty. Okay, but definitely there will not be gap down. In this case, gap down chances are very less. Even if you are holding a positive view, positive position, long positions, then you should be able to sell some call options and try to recover your loss in the naked position if you are having. But gap down looks very less. Definitely, it is a positive to negative view. Negative is not more than 140, 150 points. Because this is a positive view happens 75% of time. 10% of time it is breaking this positive and going for negative view, and here you get stuck here. 10% times you get saved here 140 points stop loss. After it can go more also, means Sankranti filter will get activated. Then for 18th February, the view will be negative. So 18th February, it's a negative. Double Sankranti also confirmation. Overall also is negative. So you get into the long position, short positions. Maybe possible that the same what we saw last week, we could be getting some good down moves after the 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock move also possible. So get ready for something like that. In these cases, like whenever you see the view is negative on Thursday, then try to buy some put options and allow to expire. Don't try to recover the 10 rupees, 15 rupees and all. Try to buy that and hold it. Try for hero or zero positions for Thursday. That could be rewarding, but you should take a limited position. Don't try to bet big on the such gambling positions. You try to say risk, say 4,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, you can take risk means you can just try to take the risk. By holding such position, you can give good rewards. That's what is my opinion. Then for 19th February, the view is positive. Negative to positive means overall view is positive. In this case, the view is more than 140 points negative, then you should cut your position and be on the short side. So the view is negative, positive for 19th February. Next, for 22nd February, Monday. The 22nd February, the view is positive for Monday. So the same like what we saw in the Friday. And for 23rd February, the view is positive. Again, the same repeat of what's happening for the Monday. So looks like positive. First half is looking very negative, and second half looking neutral to like volatile and a little positive. And for 24th February, the view is negative, neutral to negative. So don't expect any, there could be volatile moves, but not expecting any positive of more than 150 points on closing basis for Bank Nifty. Then for 25th February, the view is negative. So negative for Thursday. You can see on Thursday's expiry day, you are getting something like this. Means then just do the process what I told you, buying put options. And don't buy the put option in the beginning of the day. Just wait for the trigger whenever it is trying to cross the go long level. The go long level, everything I'm giving you the formulas for the go long level also from Canarella PowerPoint. Try to apply the formula here and buy put options maybe around 12 o'clock, 12:30, 1 o'clock, something like that, and try to accumulate, and possible that you get good jackpot money from put options buying. 26th February, Friday, the view is negative again. Okay, so you can see how that trapping is happening for 3-4 days, being positive, and again the down move starts. For 26th February, being a Friday, is a negative. So after that, the weekend is completing 27, 28, and this the month completes. So overall number of negative days are more for February, and before like this we cannot see much of negative days in the past, near past. There's complete bullish days. So be careful with your long positions. Try to make some money on the downside in the month of February. I hope you like the video, and you should be able to make good money, and the subscription money what you're paying for this video, you should be able to recover in just like that without any effort. Best of luck to all guys. Trade cautious. Don't bet big on this and get into problem. You try to bet, do gambling whatever under your control. Risk management, money management is very, very important. Don't try to do naked positions, big positions, and get into the problem. Okay, so try to be in the safe zone and play very safely. And every day you'll get opportunity. Intraday basis also. So don't be afraid that you'll not get opportunity or something. My daily trading views also giving you some idea on how the market is moving, and consider this view also in place, and combine both and take positions accordingly. Okay, try safe, try to keep on booking profits, and try to pull the profits out from the market. Don't put more money in the market when you're in profit. Try to keep on taking the profits out from the market. That's a good strategy. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for all the efforts and interest shown for buying this video. Thank you.